Today we are doing an unboxing for Iowa Beard Company. Everybody, today we are doing an unboxing for Iowa Beard Company. So, Dad, what have you bought today?
You'll see. Where is Iowa, Caden?
Iowa is right next to Illinois. And
is there any noise in Illinois?
Illinois.
Yes.
Sorry.
It's okay.
And it's on the
What's the capital?
northeast.
What's the capital?
Des Moines.
Ooh, he remembers.
It's on the
things.
box.
Oh. Do you think that's the actual capital?
It is.
It is. Ooh, okay.
I remember, and also it's on the box sticking right at me.
Is it? It's from Des Moines, Iowa, huh?
Des Moines. Why do I say always Des Moines? What does that come from?
I don't know, because there's probably an S in there. Oh, goodness. What
it's a silent S or.
Ooh,
whoa.
There's a lot of goodness.
It's bubble wrap.
Ooh, okay.
Is this what I think? Is this
Show the...
Oh, I already know what this is. Oh, this is what we were talking about. Oh, we're showing the shirt off first. We're just going to make this a well-known fact right here. Alrighty, so I'm going to stand up for this, so you guys may not be able to see my head. But
you can just sit it down. Sit down for a second. See, then you can sit down and then you can show it off.
This is the most coolest shirt and I really like it.
I know. That's the coolest beard shirt that I can. That is so awesome.
Other than your merch.
Other than my merch, of course, yes. But I really like this shirt. So I talked to the owner and
he
said that he had a tattoo artist make that. Do you know what a tattoo artist is?
In person.
I know. It's even better in person. Look how cool that is.
You can tell they make it better on the picture than in person. It looks crazy.
Yeah, that's cool, huh? Very cool.
Now, I didn't even
know
the
goodies. Look at this.
I didn't even know you got that. Ooh, they have a YouTube channel, an Instagram, and a Facebook.
Yep, they have
everything. I would say follow all of it.
Yep.
Because I already know, I can already tell that this stuff's going to be high quality by what that shirt is in. Oh, Dad, feel this box. It's cold.
I know, because we had to put it, because we live in Arizona. What do we got?
Ooh, stickers. We got a refrigerator sticker, I think. Is that?
No, it's just a tablet It's sticker. A sticker. It has that guy again. It has the pirate.
It has these two.
Ooh, look at that. There's like a gypsy girl. And another
then,
one. Ooh.
For the big surprise.
Cool one too.
Oh, they have them all individually wrapped for safety measures.
I know, so I got.
I'm gonna guess this is a butter.
Probably right. Probably right.
Your butter, let's go.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Sophisticated cedar.
Sophisticated
cedar.
So that is a collaboration with my friends from Beard and Banjos, Brian Haywood.
Wow, is that the face on here?
Yep, it is. That's Brian.
Wow.
He is the one that did my beard review.
Mm-hmm.
He did like a beard advice series, and he kind of gave me some ideas for how to trim my beard up nice.
And this is the ingredients: mango butter, shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, grapeseed oil, argan oil, and vitamin E oil, and essential oil blend. This is gonna be good.
I know.
Oh, okay. I got it. Oh.
Ooh, look at that.
I already know how easy. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that is creamy.
Very cool.
Can I touch my hand in it real quick?
Yep, you can.
I'm going to smell it first, of course.
Does it smell like?
Ooh.
Like woodsy?
Very extremely. 1 second. As easy as that, wow. I can make a smiley face.
Oh, that is nice. I can totally smell the cedar, but it has the... Oh,
It smells amazing.
Yeah.
I put it in my imaginary beard.
Yes. I like.
Wait, Dad, try putting it. Do you know how to put butter on it or butter on more? Is that for nighttime?
You can use this for nighttime. I use the butter for nighttime or for day now because I like both.
Could you try showing us like how it looks and like creaming it out before I know how to use butters that well?
So you did it fine.
Because I normally use my first finger.
Review. We'll show that at the review.
Oh,
Caden, what are you doing there?
Beard and Banjos, handmade, sophisticated cedar.
pH.
Beard balm.
Just like Phoenix.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
He waits for that. He waits to be able to do that.
Feel this. Feel how smooth.
That.
Amazing.
Oh, it doesn't have the. That's nice.
Wait, just feel this real quick.
Very smooth. Oh, that is very smooth. Ooh.
And it smells absolutely amazing.
Yeah, that's a nice smell. That is a cedar with some extras. I think he said that it had mint in it. He added some extra stuff. Does it say on there?
It says, let me see. Hand poured by Iowa Beard Company, 2 ounces. Beeswax shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, essential oils blend. Ooh.
Okay, so that's the essential oils. Notice the essential oils part. Why is essential oils? Because essential oils. Oh, look at this labeling. Sorry, guys.
Essential oils.
Essential oils.
What are essential oils?
Those are the things that I put in my diffuser.
Oh, I know,
so
but I mean,
those are made by plants. Not that other things are not made by other things, but these are squeezed in certain ways to get the oil out of their leaves, out of their branches, out of their roots in some way.
Is this what I think it is? No, it isn't. Alrighty. I'm gonna guess this. I'm gonna guess right now. Strongest scent out of all of these.
Well, they're all the sophisticated cedar, but did you say what was in there? Say what the carrier, because a lot of people like what's in the carrier of the oil.
What's a carrier?
The carrier is all the oils in there, so list the oils in there.
Ingredients: jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil blend.
So jojoba is their main.
Yes. Oh, I already know what this is gonna smell like, and it's gonna
shake
smell
it up a little
good.
bit for you.
Okay. Oh,
Shake it up.
1 second. I'm gonna.
What you didn't do?
So it
You don't have to
doesn't.
shake it up that much. Okay, you're good. You're okay.
Literally knew it. Strongest scent.
You love it?
Smells absolutely amazing.
That's awesome. Does it smell woodsy? Oh, it does. I really like cedar. I like cedar a lot.
Once these smells are the best smells. They smell really good.
Yeah, and what do you think of the label? It's cool. It's a great label. It's it even has like their YouTube on it. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice label.
Look at this. They even added that it's both of them, so I have the banjos in the background.
Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. That's ultra cool. Look, it has a little beard and banjos thing. So it has his little banjo, because he's a banjo player. He plays music. Yeah, he plays music on his channel. Yeah.
Has he ever played bass?
No, I don't think he's ever played the bass guitar or the bass, stand-up bass.
I want to try to learn how to play
So he plays the
guitar.
bass. So we're a bunch of
Is the bass guitar cool
musicians
to play?
here. The bass guitar is cool to play.
Ooh.
We'll have to see if we can look into that sometime. Okay, well, thank you guys very much. We want to do this quick unboxing for you guys. Yay! Love the shirt. And then love the sophisticated cedar.
I need to get one of those shirts, though.
Yeah. Arr, matey, we must go now. Because...
Get ready. Alrighty. I hope you all liked the video. And like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.